Good morning, everyone. Think before you speak. बोलने से पहले सोचना चाहिए, पहले विचार करो फिर बोलो। इस प्रकार की बातें हमें हमेशा सुनाई देती हैं, हमें हमेशा सजेशंस मिलते रहते हैं कि बिफोर यू स्पीक यू शुड थिंक. Through this chapter of 9th standard 3.4, the writer wants to suggest that think before you speak in a very different manners. What are these? Let us see. Let us start the chapter. Man was meant to listen more and talk less. That is why, as the great British statesman Benjamin Disraeli said, nature has endowed man with 2 ears and 1 mouth. If man was meant to talk more and listen less, he would have 2 mouths and only 1 ear. Imagine how we would have looked, how strange with 2 mouths on the 2 sides and 1 ear at the center. My dear friends, Benjamin Disraeli is a statesman of British. He has said that man has endowed with 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we should speak less and listen more. Just imagine the opposite situation when in our face there are 2 mouths and only 1 ear. It is really a comic imagination. And what is the real construction of our face is 2 ear and 1 mouth, which indicates that we should speak less and listen more. हमें कभी भी अपने आप को, अपने फेस को देखते हुए इस बात के बारे में सोच लेना चाहिए कि हमें कम बोलना और अधिक सुनना है, क्योंकि नेचर ने हमारा बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर ही ऐसा हमें बनाकर दिया है. एंड माइंड यू, द ईयर्स आर लाइक फनल्स, ओपन ऑल द टाइम. There is no door with which you can close them, whereas if you have to speak even one single word, that word must pass through 2 walls, 2 fences. There is firstly the fence of these 2 rows of teeth, and there is secondly the fence of the 2 lips. Before a word can be spoken, it has to pass through these 2 walls, through these 2 fences. Therefore, we must think at least twice before we utter a word. My dear friend, when we utter a word, it normally passes through 2 fences, 2 walls. These are firstly the 2 rows of teeth, and secondly crosses the 2 lips. My dear friends, when our word, a spoken word, passes through 2 walls, that's why we should think at least twice before utter a word. Okay? हमारे द्वारा बोले गए शब्द 2 बार हमारे दांतों और होठों को क्रॉस करके हमारे मुंह से बाहर आते हैं, तो हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि जब वो क्रॉस 2 बार हो रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट उस कंडीशन में उस बात को ध्यान रखते हुए हमें 2 बार we should think at least twice before utter a word. एक शब्द को उच्चारित करने से पहले हमें 2 बार कम से कम सोच लेना चाहिए. क्यों सोच लेना चाहिए, देखते हैं. A very wise man once remarked that of unspoken word you are a master, of the spoken word you are a slave. It is very clear, my dear friend, and it is very true that for unspoken word we are master, and for spoken word we are slave. Why? हमने जब कोई बात कह दी तो हम उसके गुलाम बन ही चुके हैं. जब तक हमने वो बात नहीं कही, वो हमारे माइंड में है, हमारे अंदर है, तो हम उसके मास्टर हैं. Once you have spoken a word, you cannot get it back. Do what you will, Therefore, you must be very careful about the words that you speak. Once the word has left your lips, you will not be able to get it back. My dear friends, it is very clear that when a word has passed our door of lips, it means it is gone and we cannot get it back. हमने जो शब्द कह दिया वो वापस आना आसान नहीं है. अब जो कह दिया सो कह दिया, अब उसके अनुसार हमें जीवन जीना, अपनी स्टेप्स रखने हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी शुड थिंक बिफोर स्पीक एंड द स्टेटमेंट वी आर मास्टर फॉर अनस्पोकन वर्ड एंड स्लेव फॉर स्पोकन वर्ड इज़ वेरी क्लियर. आपको ये बात समझ में आई होगी कि यदि हमने कुछ कह दिया तो हम उन शब्दों के गुलाम हो गए, और जब तक कहा नहीं है वो चीज़ हमें अपना गुलाम नहीं बना सकती है. What are the unspoken words? Now the question is here, what are unspoken words? They are things you want to say but remains unsaid as thoughts in your mind. Once you have put the thoughts into words, once the words have left your lips, you cannot change them or control them. My dear friends, what are unspoken words? These are the things what you want to say but they are unsaid as the thought of your into your mind. आपके दिमाग में वो बातें जो आप कहना चाहते हैं but they are not said, they are unspoken words. When you have uttered that word, these are spoken words. जब तक आपने शब्दों को कहा नहीं है, यू कैन कंट्रोल दैम बिफोर स्पीकिंग. A young man went to his spiritual teacher and said, I have spoken very harsh and unkind words to my friend and he is deeply hurt. I am afraid I have lost my friendship with him. How can I make amends? My dear friends, it is an incident that a person went to his spiritual teacher and said that he has spoken some unkind and harsh word to his friend and he is in fear that he may lose the friendship and he wants some suggestion to amend that circumstances. My dear friends, can you imagine what will be the circumstances? What will be the amendment? What will be the amends? How can you control the situation when you have already said any word and now you want to change the situation, change the circumstances? आपने एक बार कुछ कह दिया, अब आप उसको सुधारना चाहते हैं. Is it possible? And if is it possible, then how it can be done? Just think, क्या ये पॉसिबल है और है तो कैसे? Just think and we will see what were the suggestions from the spiritual teacher to that person in our further video. Till then, you imagine the situation when you have spoken some harsh words to a person and you want to amend that situation. Okay, all the best.